In this video, I'll show you a simple trick to figure out how old the battery in your BMW is. If you bought a used BMW like I did, you'll want to know how old the battery is so you can replace it before it becomes a problem. Here's the new battery, here's the old battery, and to date this, if you have a factory BMW battery, it's pretty easy. Look for the minus sign, that means this is the negative terminal. Plus obviously means the positive or the hot side. We're going to be looking for the negative side, and if you look up closely here, you'll see a 30 and a 15. That means this battery was manufactured the 30th week of 2015. So this battery is currently 7 years old. Definitely at the end of its life. Really shouldn't let a battery be used in the car at 7 years old. Usually it's closer to 5 or 6. Over here is the new battery. It looks like BMW may have done away with dating the batteries in this method. There's nothing stamped on the negative terminal, but they do now have a sticker, which is what most aftermarket batteries have, 2/22, which means February of 2022. To watch my complete tutorial on how to remove, replace, program, and register a new battery in your E70 X5, click the link in the video right here, or click the link in the description below.